Assalamu alaikum. In this very short video, I'm going to discuss with you that how are you going to configure the webinar link that I'm going to send you over the email, or you would have received this already in your email. First of all, you will check your email, and in your email you will receive a link like this, and the link will look something similar to this meet. After that, there's going to be a code.adobeconnect.com/this. So you just have to click here. It will open a new window, or it is going to open a new tab in the browser. ये depend करता है कि आप कौन सा browser use कर रहे हैं, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, whatever. So आपके सामने ये स्क्रीन आएगी, और नेचुरली जो मैं आपको ईमेल भेजूंगा उसमें मैं पूरी डिटेल्स भेजूंगा कि आपने इसको किस वक्त, किस टाइम, किस दिन बैठ के आपने लॉग इन करना है. सो इट इज़ बेटर कि आप जिस वक्त, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं आपसे कहता हूं कि 7 o'clock, तो आप 7 o'clock से पहले 5-10 मिनट पहले यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक एंड डू दीज थिंग्स बिफोर हैंड. यहाँ ये मैं एक डेमो कर रहा हूँ सो दैट व्हेन यू आर एग्जैक्टली ऑन दैट डे और टाइम, तो आपको पता हो कि आपने क्या करना है. यू हैव टू एंटर एज अ गेस्ट, ठीक है, एंड ये यहाँ पे यू हैव टू गिव योर नेम. Like I give my name here, for instance. So preferably you can give your name, or it will be very ideal if you mention something with your name just to give me an idea who are you, because this email will go to many people, so I would actually like to see how many people were belonging to which place. So for instance, if I am from MA 4th semester, or I am from any university, so I may like to add something with the name so that आपके नाम में सब बातें पता हों कि who is this person and where is he from. So you just have to enter the room. That's simple. So यहाँ पे you will have a window like this. Now you can see this has become a little big. Let me just put it on top. So it will open in a full screen mode normally. Look at this one. So you will have a window like this completely, and on this area, like you see, it is actually a demonstration. मैं बतौर user case में बैठा हूँ, जैसे आप attendees बैठेंगे. All the things that I will say or want you to see will appear here, and my sound will be coming from your speakers. You see this icon here. ये by default on होता है. If you don't want to listen, or you are walking away from the computer, you can click this button and it is going to mute your speakers. That means कि आपको आपके कंप्यूटर के speakers या headphone से आवाज़ आनी बंद हो जाएगी, लेकिन ये by default on होता है. इस विंडो में there are a couple of things I need you to be very clear about. You will have a chat box. तो आप chat box में आते ही you can simply start talking like hi or hello, assalamu alaikum, I am dash dash dash. So इस जगह पे everyone means everyone will start talking, like they will just start sharing their opinions by all the things they are seeing. So आप side by side अपनी feedback यहाँ देख सकते हैं. I will try to see that as fast as possible. और अगर आप मुझे बतौर presenter कोई individually को message देना चाहते हैं, तो you simply have to click here और start chat with, और यहाँ पे presenter. That means जब आप इस पे click करेंगे तो एक टैब नया खुल जाएगा. ये एवरीवन वाली चैट जो है, ये जितने भी अटेंडीज हैं सब इसको देखेंगे, लेकिन अगर आप इस प्रेजेंटर विंडो में कोई भी बात लिखते हैं तो वो दैट विल कम टू मी इंडिविजुअली. सो वी कैन हैव एन इंडिविजुअल 1-to-1 टॉक ऑन एनी इशू यू हैव जस्ट ऑब्जर्व्ड. दिस इज चैट सेक्शन, एंड यू आर प्रोबेबली गोइंग टू हैव एन ऑन स्क्रीन काइंड ऑफ थिंग वेयर आई मे लाइक टू जस्ट वेट, लेट मी शो यू समथिंग. आई मे लाइक टू have a poll. By a poll I mean I can ask you some questions. You see this moment that you see, actually I'm doing on another computer which is actually starting the hosting. So you will be sitting very much live with me, and all that I will do is going to be visible to you as I am going to do it. So side by side I will keep talking to you. मैं आपसे कह सकता हूँ कि enter your email addresses here just to show that you were here, all that thing. So आप अपनी screens के साथ मुझसे interact कर सकते हैं, and you can very much use your mouse to click on the places and respond in the real time. वो मेरे पास आता रहेगा. I hope you like this experience. I am very confident that you will benefit from this, and we will try to continue the series after the first one. Let's see how does it really go, and I look forward to it. So I hope that this small video is going to help you understand what are you going to do. और एक आखिरी बात, that is this one. This is a very interesting thing. I really am liking this feature. If I, for example, you listen to me and you listen to me say that how many of you think that Pakistan is an underdeveloped country. So all of you who think like that, raise hands. So raise hands के लिए हमारे पास एक we have a long list of things that you can do. You can raise hand, you can agree, you can disagree, you can step away, you can ask me these things. Like you won't be talking to me, but if you just change the status from here to here, so this is going to let me an idea. Like if you feel I'm going too fast, आप इस पे यूं click करेंगे तो मेरे पास वहाँ पर like मेरे पास administrative side पे I will be seeing that you want me to slow down. And if you are agreeing with something I said or something I'm saying, explaining, you can simply click agree, and that will. So this is a very interesting thing. You can keep doing it. If you like something, you can applause. If you want to laugh over something, just click this, and I will see that this many people have actually laughed on what I said. So this is going to be fun. I hope that you enjoy this. See this video very carefully again and again, so that on the day of webinar you should be knowing what are you supposed to do. If you have any question in the meantime, you can reply to this email in which you have received the link of this video, and I can write back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.